Redz and Inspektur, we are in the bowling alley right now. So what are you two want to do today? Please answer me right now.
I think we will start doing a Tokyo Metro Namboku line all of the stations in the bowling alley. This is going to be thrilled right now.
I agree with my son Redz. Tokyo Metro Namboku line, all of the stations in the bowling alley look so cool. So without further ado, please start it right now.
目黒、白金台、白金高輪、麻布十番、六本木一丁目、溜池山王、長手町、四谷、市ヶ谷、飯田橋、後楽園、東大前、本駒込、駒込、西ヶ原、王子、王子神谷、下、赤羽岩淵。
Wow, you did it! Tokyo Metro Namboku line, all of the stations in the bowling alley look so cool. Many people will like it a lot. Congratulations, Redz And Inspektur, you are promoted. You are the subway master now. Now you can do whatever you want to do about the subway.
Wow, thank you so much, Long. Tokyo Metro Namboku line, all of the stations in the bowling alley look so cool to us. You are the best.
Thank you so much, Long, and make sure to have a Tokyo Metro Namboku line train right in here without having any trouble. Please stay safe right now.
You're welcome, Redz And Inspektur. I hope you are do our best for the Tokyo Metro Namboku line, all of the stations calling. Should we do the outro at the end? Please do that right now.
Thanks for watching to this video. I hope you enjoy the video of the Tokyo Metro Namboku line, all of the stations calling in the bowling alley right now.
Don't forget to rate, comment, like the video, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and don't miss out for the next video. We will see you soon. Goodbye. Oh yeah, so don't forget to say,
It's a brand new day today. Let's